Welcome back to my session. This is Anamika here, and today I am here with this soft glam makeup look. You guys have already watched my previous videos in which I have created two different looks. Like, those are very colorful, and so I thought, why not let me create something very sober and wearable. I thought, why not let me just create this look right here for all of you, and I hope you guys will surely enjoy this video. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Even don't forget to check out my Instagram page because I'm doing 100 days of makeup challenge over there, and I'm sure you guys are going to love all the pictures out there. So do follow me there, and all my other social media handles are there in the description box, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. So without wasting much time, now let's get into this tutorial. So let's start by priming the face, and for that I'm taking MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. I'm going to spritz this all over my face. Next, for the foundation, I'm taking Maybelline Super Stay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Now for the concealer, I am taking Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. And I am going to conceal and highlight the areas I normally do. Now I am going to set my face with Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. I am going with this banana shade and applying this on the areas I have concealed and highlighted. Now for contouring my face from the same Wet n Wild Mega Glow palette, I am going with this brown shade and will apply this on the perimeters of my face. Next, I am going to fill in my brows, and for that I am taking L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit 01 Medium to Dark to fill in the sparse areas and make my brow look fuller. And now let's move on to the eye makeup. For my first transition shade, I'm going with this two shade right here from NYX Ultimate Warm Neutrals palette and applying this on the crease area. And now from the same palette, I'm going with this shimmery shade and applying this on the eyebrow bone and the inner corners of my eyes. And now I'll be taking this bronzy shade, and it has a nice orangish undertone to it, and it looks absolutely amazing with my suit. And I'm going to apply this on the eyelids area. And then I'm going to mix these two shades right here and apply that on the outer V. And make sure you're smoking this out really well. And now we are going to move on to the Kajal, and for that I'm taking Maybelline Colossal Kajal. And I'm going to waterline and tideline with this. Next I'm going to draw my wing liner. For that I'm taking Sugar I Want You So Double Matte Eyeliner. Now to finish off my eyes, I'm going with Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I'm going to coat my upper and the lower lashes. So guys, I'm done with my eyes. Now moving on to my face again, and for that I'm taking my blush from Makeup Revolution Hot Spice Blusher. This is the peachish pinkish shade which I'm going to apply on my cheeks. Now next for my highlighter, I'm taking Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, and I'm going to apply this on the highest points of my face. So I'm done with my highlighter. Let's move on to the lips. For my lipstick today, I'm taking Nykaa Matte to Last Liquid Lipstick in the shade 01 Bombay. Some of you asked me on my previous 2 Eid makeup tutorials which lipstick I am using. So this is the one I have been using quite a lot lately. So this was the soft glam makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media handles, especially as I said on Instagram because of my 100 days challenge. So that's it for this video. We'll see you all in my next one. Till then, love you all. Mwah. Bye.